This video is going to show you how to use the crop tool to adjust how large your PDF pages are. I have a couple of larger size pages here that I really just want to slim them down. So in order to do this, I'm first going to select the Edit PDF button. And from here, I'm going to select Crop Pages. Then I'm simply going to draw a box around the content that I want to keep. Then I'm going to double click inside that area. Now, this will allow me to crop every page in the document that same distance. So I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to select OK. And that is how you resize a PDF page within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.